We use a lot of organic or olive oil ingredient in our cosmetics.
In Santorini, Greece, I discovered a skincare secret that felt just like Ayurveda.
Aloe vera with organic olive oil and chamomile to calm irritations, also for dehydration. Flower has minerals, and with the minerals you will feel your skin more silky and soft. Okay.
What amazed me the most? These are the same truths Ayurveda has taught for centuries. Nature heals everywhere. Thanks dear for sharing this timeless wisdom. Glow secrets from Ayurveda and around the world. Subscribe now.